Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I am participating in Tablescape Sunday. That happens every 2 weeks, if you don't know that by now. And the host host for Tablescape Sunday are the ladies of Diva Dynasty. Now this week, the host is Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Her co-hosts are Miss Geraldine of and her channel's Diva Decorating, Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Cynthia of Cynthia She So Bless, and the lovely Miss Mysterious Alberta. Now I'm going to get right into it, guys, and explain to you why I have kitchen utensils all over my dining room table. Miss Tammy, the host for this week, asked us she really challenged us. She said, see if you can create a tablescape using nothing but kitchen utensils. So that's what I've tried to do. And I'll quickly tell you what I have, and then I'm going to shut up and just let you enjoy the tablescape. So you'll see here what I did for my place settings. I have a cutting board at each place setting. I have a serving tray, and I've used dish towels instead of napkins. And then instead of my normal silverware, I have kitchen utensils. And then I wanted to add a little extra pop of color. So I have a couple of extra dish towels on the table and a couple kitchen utensils. And then just to add a little bit more interest, I have my salt and pepper shakers on the table. And here I've got my egg slicer, and over there my apple core or my apple slicer. What I did for the centerpiece is I just took all the little bits for my hand mixer and place those around my Lazy Susan. And then I'm using my ice bucket. This is just a Dollar Tree ice bucket. You guys have probably seen it before. And I filled it with some kitchen utensils. And voila, there's my kitchen utensil tablescape and centerpiece. So guys, I'm going to be quiet now, let you just enjoy this tablescape. I may come back on at the end and just say a couple words. But again, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll be talking to you in just a couple minutes. guys, I just wanted to hop back on for a minute and tell you thank you so much for watching today. And listen, if you're not a member of the channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button today, hit that notifications bell, and make sure that you do it 2 times. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new content. So again, this was Tablescape Sunday, and this week it was the Kitchen Utensil Tablescape Sunday. Please make sure to go down and visit the playlist. And don't forget to go to visit the ladies' channels of the Diva Dynasty. And again, the host for this week, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Miss Geraldine of Diva Decorating is a co-host, as well as Cynthia She So Bless. Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living, and the lovely Miss Mysterious Alberta. Thank you so much, guys, and you know what I wanted to jump on and say. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.